A billion-dollar roller coaster. Musk's fortunes take a tumble. Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur, has always been known for his audacity. His ventures, from electric cars to space exploration, have captivated the world. Yet recently, Musk's fortunes have taken a dramatic downturn, mirroring the turbulent performance of his flagship company, Tesla. Since the start of 2025, Musk's net worth has plummeted by over $100 billion. This staggering loss, a 25% decrease in just a few months, can be largely attributed to the decline in Tesla's stock price. The once soaring valuation of Tesla, fueled by investor enthusiasm and Musk's ambitious promises, has faced a harsh reality check in recent months. The company's sales have faltered, and its self-driving technology, once touted as revolutionary, has faced scrutiny and skepticism. As Tesla's stock price tumbled, so too did Musk's personal wealth, which is heavily tied to his ownership stake in the company. Despite this financial setback, Musk remains the world's richest person, with an estimated net worth of $323 billion. However, the precipitous decline in his wealth serves as a stark reminder that even the most visionary entrepreneurs are not immune to the forces of market volatility. The question now is whether Musk can navigate Tesla through these turbulent times and regain its footing as a leader in the electric vehicle market. The road ahead will undoubtedly be challenging, but Musk has a history of defying expectations and proving his doubters wrong. Stalling out, Tesla's sales hit the brakes. Tesla, the electric vehicle pioneer, is facing a critical juncture as its sales growth engine sputters. The company, which once enjoyed a seemingly unstoppable upward trajectory, has hit a speed bump in recent months, with sales declining sharply. In the first quarter of 2025, Tesla experienced its largest sales drop on record, with deliveries plummeting by 13%. This decline in sales comes as the electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly competitive, with established automakers ramping up their own EV offerings. One of Tesla's key competitors, for instance, reported a 60% surge in revenue during the same period that Tesla's sales faltered. The slowdown in Tesla's sales is particularly pronounced in key markets such as Europe and China. In Europe, new Tesla registrations plunged by 45% year-on-year in January 2025, indicating waning consumer demand. Similarly, in China, the world's largest electric vehicle market, Tesla's sales have lost momentum. Several factors contribute to Tesla's sales woes, including increased competition, concerns about the company's self-driving technology, and a general economic slowdown. A brand in crisis. Musk's politics alienate Tesla's base. Elon Musk's foray into the political arena has backfired spectacularly, tarnishing Tesla's brand and alienating a significant portion of its customer base. Musk's alignment with the far right, once seen as a shrewd business move to appeal to a wider audience, has proven to be a costly miscalculation. Tesla's core customers, predominantly left-leaning and environmentally conscious, have been turned off by Musk's political stances, which they view as antithetical to the company's values. Musk's acceptance of a role as a special government employee for the Trump administration further exacerbated the situation, leading to accusations of hypocrisy and betrayal. The perception that Musk was using his position at Tesla to advance his political agenda damaged the company's reputation and eroded trust among its loyal customer base. The backlash against Musk's political activities has been swift and severe, with many former Tesla enthusiasts vowing to boycott the brand. Betting the farm. Musk's Wisconsin gamble backfires. Elon Musk's penchant for making bold bets is well documented, but his recent political gamble in the Wisconsin Supreme Court election has backfired spectacularly. Musk, a vocal supporter of conservative causes, wagered $20 million on the victory of a pro-Trump candidate in the crucial election. The stakes were high, as the election would determine the balance of power on the court, which was narrowly divided between liberals and conservatives. Musk's gamble, however, proved to be a costly miscalculation. The pro-Trump candidate suffered a decisive defeat, maintaining the court's 4-3 liberal majority. Musk's high-profile involvement in the election, which included attending a rally in a cheesehead hat and handing out $1 million checks, backfired, further alienating Tesla's left-leaning customer base. Moreover, his actions faced legal challenges, with critics accusing him of violating campaign finance laws. Section 5. Desperate measures, controversial marketing, and the FBI. In a desperate bid to revive Tesla's flagging fortunes, Elon Musk has resorted to increasingly controversial marketing tactics, further damaging the company's reputation. One such tactic involved a live Tesla sales pitch featuring former President Donald Trump, a move widely seen as a desperate attempt to appeal to Trump's base. During the event, Trump urged Americans to buy Tesla stock, raising concerns about potential market manipulation. Adding to the controversy, the FBI announced that it was investigating threats made against Tesla vandals, with the agency suggesting that such acts could be prosecuted as domestic terrorism. This move, widely perceived as an attempt to silence critics and protect Tesla's image, was met with widespread condemnation. These desperate measures, far from bolstering Tesla's brand, have only served to further alienate potential customers and reinforce the perception that the company is out of touch with its core values. Section 6. A glimmer of hope, investors cheer Musk's government exit. Amidst the turmoil surrounding Elon Musk and Tesla, a glimmer of hope emerged from an unexpected quarter: Musk's impending departure from his government role. News of Musk's expected exit from his position as a special government employee in late May or June 2025 was met with a surge in Tesla's stock price. Shares of the electric car maker jumped by 6% following the announcement, signaling investor optimism that Musk's return to a full-time focus on Tesla would benefit the company. Investors had grown increasingly concerned about Musk's divided attention and the negative impact his political activities were having on Tesla's brand. The prospect of Musk devoting his full attention to addressing Tesla's operational challenges and product development was seen as a positive development. While Musk's government exit alone is unlikely to solve all of Tesla's problems, it is seen as a step in the right direction and a sign that the company is beginning to prioritize its core business. Section 7. Damage control, Musk and the White House dispute reports. Elon Musk, never one to shy away from a public spat, found himself embroiled in a war of words with Politico, the political news website, over a report suggesting that he had overstayed his welcome in Washington. The Politico article, which cited anonymous sources, claimed that Musk's close ties to the Trump administration and his controversial behavior had made him a liability in the eyes of some government officials. Musk, in his typical fashion, took to Twitter to denounce the report as garbage and fake news. The White House, too, came to Musk's defense, dismissing the Politico report as utter nonsense. Despite the denials, the episode further highlighted the extent to which Musk's political activities had become a distraction and a source of controversy. The public back and forth served as a reminder that Musk's every move was now subject to intense scrutiny and that his words and actions had consequences that extended far beyond the business world. Section 8. A tale of two billionaires, Buffett's steady hand versus Musk's volatility. The contrasting fortunes of Elon Musk and Warren Buffett, two of the world's richest individuals, offer a compelling study in different approaches to wealth creation and management. While Musk's net worth has been on a roller coaster ride in recent years, soaring to dizzying heights before plummeting back down to earth, Buffett's wealth has grown steadily and consistently over decades. In 2025 alone, Buffett's net worth increased by $23 billion, thanks to the strong performance of his conglomerate, Berkshire Hathaway, and its record cash reserves. Buffett's investment philosophy, characterized by a long-term perspective, a focus on value investing, and a disciplined approach to risk management, has stood the test of time. Musk, on the other hand, is known for his willingness to take big risks, his embrace of disruption, and his unwavering belief in his own vision. While Musk's approach has yielded remarkable successes, it has also exposed him to significant volatility and setbacks. The contrasting fortunes of these two titans of industry highlight the importance of finding the right balance between risk and reward and the enduring value of a patient and disciplined approach to investing. Section 9. Navigating the road ahead, can Tesla recharge and reconnect? Tesla, once the darling of the electric vehicle market, finds itself at a crossroads, facing mounting challenges and an uncertain future. The company's sales have stalled, its brand has been tarnished, and its CEO, Elon Musk, has become a polarizing figure. To navigate the road ahead and reclaim its position as a leader in the EV revolution, Tesla must take decisive action to address its shortcomings and regain the trust of investors and consumers alike. First and foremost, Tesla needs to stabilize its sales and reverse the recent decline in deliveries. This will require a multi-pronged approach that includes ramping up production of existing models, expanding into new markets, and introducing compelling new products that can compete with the growing number of electric vehicle offerings from established automakers. Secondly, Tesla must repair its damaged brand and reconnect with its core customer base. This will require a concerted effort to distance itself from Musk's political activities, reaffirm its commitment to sustainability and social responsibility, and engage in more authentic and transparent communication with its customers. Finally, Tesla must deliver on its promises of technological innovation, particularly in the area of autonomous driving. While Tesla's self-driving technology has shown promise, it has also faced setbacks and scrutiny. To maintain its competitive edge, Tesla must accelerate its development of autonomous driving capabilities and bring a safe and reliable self-driving system to market. The road ahead for Tesla is fraught with challenges, but the company has overcome obstacles before. Whether it can recharge its sales, reconnect with its customers, and reclaim its mantle as a leader in the EV revolution remains to be seen.